Like I said, I've used it from first, second, third. You're not banging into me, which is nothing worse than getting the helmets like this.
No, very smooth ride. Apart from the potholes.
Yeah.
Apart from you getting on those drains in the inside. Do you know what that was about?
British roads.
Otherwise, very smooth.
Told you.
Suddenly it becomes very
What's the
awkward
last
when
time? I had the
somebody
bloke come
arrives.
over and like, oh, you're doing bird watching. I had the priest walking around praying all the time.
You're doing
Luckily, this
bird watching.
This area's blessed now, so it's fine.
I'm going to go say it. I'm gonna
You go for it.
I am going to go and say it. I would recommend.